This Christmas, destroy any computer and any friendship you so desire with this USB Killer Pro Kit Standard Edition, which will quite literally zap any electronic device you connect it to. No joke. Only 6 left in stock. Order soon. Going through a breakup around the holiday season, then you need to get yourself a waifu graphics card. And because it is made by AMD, it will also keep you warm at night for the extra soul healing. In case you're wondering, this is the Yeston RX 5700 XT Waifu Edition, and if you want me to tell you where you can find it, well, you are pretty much on your own. You got yourself the new Call of Duty game, but you can't play to save your life? Have no fear, because I got your back this Christmas with this attachable laser pointer that will give you a spot-on sight in any first-person shooter without cheating. Just attach it to your monitor and amaze your friends with your newfound skills. Get your daily dose of Rick and Morty with this real-life size, functional portal gun and escape reality while slowly realizing that the universe is meaningless. This gun includes plenty of LEDs and is fully charged to take you away in whatever dimension you so desire. Do you want to wirelessly charge your new smartphone without attracting too much attention on yourself? Then get this Magic Array wireless charging pad, lights and spells included in the package. Charge your smartphone and summon the dankest of memes in the universe with this magic circle. If your charging cables always end up being ripped apart, then fear not, because now you can buy a Kevlar-made charging and data cable. These cables can withstand all the cats and all the dogs on this planet, but also plenty of zippers that will snatch them or scratch them as well. You like gaming but wanna look classy at the same time, then use this retro-inspired mechanical keyboard which has wood placed on the casing, metal on the keycaps and the famous clickety-click noises of the mechanical keyboards we all know and love. Ever wondered why computers don't have enough USB ports available? Now you can have as many as 16 ports with this USB powered hub that can both charge and send data to your computer from all of your 16 devices connected to it. Improve your productivity this Christmas by buying a new MacBook Pro pocket mirror which also folds and looks the part. Speaking of looking the part, check out these keycaps which are made from actual stainless steel which is also brushed. Impress your significant other this Christmas with these keycaps and the included keycap remover. Ever afraid of someone hacking your microphone and listening to your conversation? Then get this 3.5mm jack microphone blocker, which will completely block any apps or devices from listening on you or your device microphone. You want to get rid of those pesky ads that are placed thanks to what you say? Now you can block them out, which go nicely with this floppy disk. Drink coaster, made from silicone, which will prevent any scratches on your table surface but also get you nostalgic every time you have a pint of drink. Look at the time, LED spinning clock which dubs as a fan which shows an analog watch when spinning. Speaking of lights, get someone you care about the dank holy meme bible, Final Prophecy 2019, which will offer them hours of internet-based entertainment in printed form, which includes the dankest of memes and also a full guide of infiltrating Area 51. Also make sure to provide them with the bruh button for them to press every time they get a meme reference this Christmas, which will go nicely with this Nintendo Warp Peace Can Cooler. And of course, speaking of cool, show off your awesomeness the next time you pick up the tab with this Sony PlayStation console shaped wallet. And also make sure to wear this PlayStation ugly Christmas sweater on your next date for the extra points into the romantic side of your life.